All right? So the first nerve we're going to study is the median sensory, and we're going to do the median sensory on the left. So we're going to take some electrodes. These are surface electrodes. And I'm going to put them right where I marked up the spots. This is for the active. That means the black. By the way, you can use the same electrode on the same patient. You don't have to use different electrodes all the time. If they don't stick anymore, you can change them. So active, reference, and then, of course, the ground, which I'm going to put here. How do I know which one is active, which one is reference? By plugging the black into the active, by clipping the red into the reference, and by clipping the green into the ground. And now I can stimulate the nerve, and you're going to see some activity that's going to appear on the screen. The median nerve, I marked it up here, and these are the sensory fibers. I'm over the nerve. I'm not over the muscle, so these are the sensory fibers. I put some cream over the stimulator, and I start stimulating. In the beginning, she's not going to feel anything. Now, pay attention to this. This is the stimulus. As I increase it, she's going to begin to feel something. And again, I need to increase it enough that I know that I've stimulated all the nerve fibers. And I know this when the action potential stops growing, when the signal stops growing. So basically, I'm going to start with maybe 6 or so. And here we go. I'm going to stimulate the nerve. I got a response even earlier. So I'm going to show you something that has no response. So now that I didn't stimulate the nerve, okay, I get a flat because I'm having a very, very low amplitude stimulation. Now, as I raise it up a little bit, I'm starting to get a response. By the way, this purple is the previous response. So that to show you what it used to be before. So now when I press this button again, this green one is going to become purple. I'm going to acquire a new one. So I'm going to increase the amplitude of the stimulation a little bit. And again, it's growing. See now how much it grew from the purple to the green? Going to go up a little bit further. It's growing further. Going to go up a bit further. And you see now the green and the purple are completely superimposed. That means that's maximal. And I can stop, and that's the median nerve.